Canvas also allows instructors to differentiate both dates and durations for quizzes. However, this requires a two-step process in this LMS. The following tutorial demonstrates how to provide differentiated dates and times for students who require it. Click on Quizzes in the left-hand menu. Click on the quiz for which you wish to set differentiated dates and times. Click on Edit. Scroll down, and under Assign, click on the Add button. If you have students assigned to the course, select the students or the sections requiring accommodation from the drop-down menu. Set the differentiated dates and click Save. Next, to set the differentiated time, click on Moderate this quiz in the right-hand menu. Click on the pencil icon next to student names for whom extra time will be provided to complete the quiz. Input the extra time in minutes you will be providing to the students and click Save.